What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Robin from Teen Titans Go. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the eyes. We'll start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now from here, we're gonna curve up and out towards the left. Go up, and then bend that out. Let's go back to the center, bend this up and out towards the right. Now from the outside, we wanna curve the eye coming down, and we'll bend that back up towards that center point. Come all the way down towards the bottom, round this out, and then pull that up. Now I want to go back and trace the eyes along the inside. So just follow that same curve coming in. And follow that curve coming down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to go back and fill that trim on the outside. Let's move in between the eyes and draw a curve for the nose. We'll start on the left, bend this up, and then back down. Now we're going to move down and draw a curve for the mouth coming down and back up. Now we want to move out and draw the lower half of the head. For the top point of the eye, let's step out, let's curve around the eye, bend that in towards the jaw. And then from the jaw, we're going to come down and then in toward the center point along the chin. And now we'll work our way around the hairline, starting from the top, angle this down and out towards the side. Curve this up and then in. We want to leave a gap in the middle. Let's go back over towards the left side. Come down and in, bend this back up, let's add one more curve coming down, and just pull that up towards the right side. Let's place the ears on the side of the head. Let's start on the left, curve this up and out, bend this out and then down towards the side. And then bring the ears coming back down and in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to work our way around the outside of the hair. Let's start on top of the ear, bend this around, and then in. And I want to add a point with a small curve coming back in. Let's add another point, going up, bend that in. Down and in with a short line. Now on the left, we're going to go up and bend that in towards the middle. Let's add a point with a straight line coming down. Bend this around and back up. Now let's close off the right side, go all the way across and then back down. Let's switch to an ultra thick black marker and fill the inside of the hair. Now from here, we're going to work our way down the body. Let's start with the neck. Leave a gap in the center, draw two lines coming down the side, and draw a straight line going out across the top of the shoulders. Let's bend this down and in towards the center. And we'll fill that collar area in black. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side, cut the body going around and then in. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. In between the hips, let's move to the center and draw a circle in the belt buckle. Draw a smaller circle in the center. And then from the hips, we're going to angle this down and then in towards the side of our circle. Let's go back out to the hips, draw a straight line coming down, angle this up and in towards the side of the buckle, and I'll add 2 lines coming down on either side. Let's add some more detail to the body. From the side, angle down and in, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's step down, draw another line going across, down the side and close off the bottom. Let's add that emblem on the right side. Start with a circle going all the way around, and we'll add that R in the center. Start with a straight line on the left, go up to the top, around to the top, angle this down. Let's trace the inside of the R, and we'll fill the outside area in black. Now directly underneath the buckle, let's add a curve going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We start from the left heel, bend the foot coming down and then up on both sides. Now we're going to add a thick sole on the outside of the foot. Start from the outside, angle this up and in. I'm just going to curve this down and in towards the middle of the foot, and then come straight down. From this point, let's step down, curve this in, and bend that up. From the outside of the foot, let's step in, curve the foot going up and then in towards the top, and then bend this in and then down towards the sole. Let's go back up to the hips, curve the leg going out and then down towards the knee, and curve this out and then down in behind the shoe. Let's add a trim across the leg. And we'll fill the bottom of the leg in black. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, then the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And line that up on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come down, and bend that up. Step down, go out, and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, pull that up and in towards the top of the glove. Let's go back to the left side, curve the glove coming in and then down towards the inside of the arm. Let's go back up to the shoulder. We're going to curve the arm coming down in behind the glove, and a little overlap on the outside. Let's go back up to the top and add a trim for the sleeve. Let's add the cape in behind the body, coming out towards the right side. Let's start from the side of the arm, come down, up, and then down. Let's bend the bottom of the cape, going around, down, and then in. And it'll curve the cape back in towards the body, so go in behind the hand, continue that in behind the body. Let's draw the edge of the cape. Start from the side of the arm. Just going to taper this down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the inside. And I'll fill that trim in black. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Robin from Teen Titans Go. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.